Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since my last video, probably 6 weeks I guess, but things have been crazy this side, kids starting school, getting my new little business going, and yeah, just trying to live my best life. I hope you guys missed me. I'm back with another video today, still trying to perfect my flip cup pour, which my last two videos haven't been very successful. So I'm hoping in this one we're going to get it right. I've got some nice new colors. This beautiful cobalt violet. Then I've got a turquoise that I've added a little bit of lime green to. We've got black, white, and then we've got this beautiful sort of sea blue color. I've kept my mixtures fairly thin, and I've added a little bit of silicone to each one so that we get those beloved cells. I'm going to be doing a double flip cup today. I've got these little polystyrene cups because I think they're about the right size to fill up to the top with the mixture. If I use these cups, I think they'd be slightly too big. So guys, I'm just going to give these paints one final mix, and then I'm going to layer up my flip cups and we can get going. Right guys, there we go. I've layered up the cups, they're almost full, and I've done a very gentle layer of each color so that they don't get mixed, and then for the second round of colors I've poured through from a height from the top so that the stream goes through the other colors so that we get a nice contrast with the different colors coming through and they're not all exactly the same. So let me get this first one down. Where am I going to put it? Just there, I think. There we go. Next one there. We'll let those sit for a little bit. Yeah, it's actually great to be doing some art again. As I said, I've been busy with something else, so I haven't had much time to do any new canvases. Sadly, still haven't sold any yet. So I'm just creating a nice collection of art that hopefully someday someone will see and want to buy. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. Right, those cups are ready. I'm going to do a flip and drag and let's see what we get here. Inside of those cups look pretty cool as well. I don't know if you can see. Got some nice patterns going on there. So let me get my gloves on, because as always this is a messy process. We've got some beautiful cells coming out already, and I'm going to use the little edge of cardboard again so that I don't lose all the paint, because I haven't got as much paint as I normally have on the canvas. So right, let's get tipping. Right guys, there we go. I appear to have lost one of my safety drawing pins. Wow, that looks fantastic. I think in the previous few that I tried to do, I did too many layers, and I think it has an effect on how the cells are created. I didn't get really a lot of cells at all. Well, I did get cells, but not as many as I would have liked. And certainly not as many as we've got here today. So I definitely think that's one of the reasons. And also I made my mixture super thin today, very runny, so that it barely even left a mound when you tipped a little bit into the cup. So yeah, very watery, but still thick enough so that the paints don't mix when you put them together in the flip cup. Right, there we go. That looks amazing as it is, but you know me, I love my cells, so I think that hopefully we'll get a lot more of this the smaller cells coming through once we flame now, because there's a lot of big ones. Yeah, there we go. And I think and I'm sure if we just give it a little time to settle, some more cells will come through. I didn't mix the silicone in very vigorously, which I think is why we've got these bigger cells. If you actually mix it in for quite a long time, you get the much smaller cells, which is nice as well. But I like to get the combination, so you can see how we've got the big ones and then also these smaller little ones coming through here. So yeah, very happy with that. Great result, and hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Hope you guys have been well as well and staying healthy. The corona cases are way down in South Africa at the moment, and we're on the lowest level of lockdown there is. But I know people in the UK, you guys have been locked up for a long time and are finally getting some freedom. Just remember to wear your mask, and of course you can go get vaccinated in the UK. South Africa still doesn't have a vaccination program. We've vaccinated about 500,000 health workers, and that's about it. The government's made no plans to get vaccines, even though our local pharmaceutical company here is producing millions of doses to send overseas. None of them are coming to South Africa. So we still very much aware that the virus is out there. We're washing hands, we're wearing our mask every time we go out, and we're trying to limit the social gatherings that we attend, especially with random people. It's, you know, with our friends, we tend to trust them a little bit more because we know they're also being careful. And yeah, I hope you guys are being careful as well. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Very, very happy with this painting. It's going to look stunning in our bathroom, and I'm just glad that I finally figured out the flip cap technique. Stupidly forgot. I knew all this stuff before I did the last two, but obviously didn't apply it. And I'm glad that I remembered how it all worked. So yeah, if you guys want to do a nice flip cup, just follow along, do the things I did, and you're going to get results like this just as well. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Haven't really checked the subscriber count of late. I think it was around 170, somewhere around there. So it is ticking up slowly, but I'm going to try and get some more videos out in the next few weeks, and give you guys something to watch. So that's it for me, guys. I'm going to cut to the close-up. Keep well, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.